How to see or how to know if someone has blocked you on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can know if someone has blocked you on TikTok. Now, TikTok doesn't particularly have an option where you can see if you have been blocked by certain users or not. However, what you can do is open up the app, and if you head into the profile and the profile does not open up or it faces no data, you can't watch the videos, you can't watch any profile information, then it might be that they have blocked you. If you open up the TikTok app and then head into a certain person's profile, now I'll just go into my followers and I'll open up one profile quickly. Now here, if the person has blocked you or if the user has blocked you, then this data, their videos and their user information won't appear or it won't load up. Now if it appears that when you search in for, you can search it for the username from the search bar right here from homepage. You'll get the search icon on the right hand side of your screen. You can see it here, and if you search it from there, then if the profile loads up, then it means that they haven't blocked you. But if the username you type in is correct and if the profile doesn't show up, then the most probable reason is that they have blocked you. Now, however, it might be that they have deactivated their account or deleted their account. In that case, you might want to log into your another account. You might create a dummy account and then search it from that account for the username, and if the profile still doesn't show up, then it might mean that the account has simply been deleted or they have deleted it themselves. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.